thing about this, you really need to pay attention to what I'm trying to say right now. Hey Mama Strong, my name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves with affordable beauty. On today's video, I'm going to share with you on what I use on my daughter's or my toddler's curls. I don't know the title yet, but it's one of those. Anyways, so these are the things that I use on her curls. I didn't think I needed to do a tutorial and show you guys how I do it because I pretty much brush her hair every day, so there's no magic on that. But I wanted to share with you the things that I use on her curls to maintain it and things like that. So yeah, let's get started. All right, I keep on looking down because it's right in front of me, but anyways, so these are the things that I use in the shower on my daughter's hair. I don't wash her hair every day. I wash her hair twice a week, just like how I do mine. And this is not specifically following the curly girl method, although I know it is a curly girl method. We just do our own thing, but if it aligns with the curly girl method, then it's good. But otherwise, this is what we do, okay? So I'm just sharing with you our experience and what we actually do. We do use shampoo. I use a curl shampoo on her hair. This is the Kristin's curl shampoo. I've used this on her hair for a while now and it does work good on her hair. Although her hair looks thick, it's actually very fine compared to mine, so this is really good. And when she was a child, I used to use the Shea Moisture Kids shampoo and conditioner, but since she's now a toddler, she's almost 6, so it's okay for me to use other products. But this is moisture conscious, gentle cleansing, rich lather, non-stripping, all curl type. So your curl doesn't have to be a certain way. It works with all curls. I haven't used this on my, oh yeah, I did use this on my hair once. I didn't really see a difference, but you know, my curls might have been immune to my Husk shampoos, but this is really good. It has like a very gentle scent to it too, so it's really good. And then the other shampoo that I use is this Shea Moisture Detangling shampoo. We have had this for a while. I don't think it really helps with detangling. Yeah, but it's okay. It's, you know, we're just trying to use it until the end. And this is the shrinkage prone. This is curly, coily, and shrinkage prone hair. So this is pretty much helps your hair to like have more length. That is the reason why her hair is more wavy now than curly. I don't know, or maybe just because I brush it all the time, but I brush it for school because otherwise it's not gonna, you know what I mean, like I brush it to style it pretty much. So that's what I do. But yeah, it's not really detangling per se, but it does work. It does make her hair a little bit longer and not so shrinky, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And then the only conditioner that I use on her hair right now is this Maui Moisture hair care. This is the Curl Quench and Coconut Oil conditioner. It's alright. I did use it today too. The scent is really good. It's very like strong. A lot of people always compliment her hair when it's finished, when I wash it the day before, because her hair smells so good after using this. So I guess that's a good thing. It's kind of a strong scent, but it's okay for, like, you know, toddler. It's only the sweet scent pretty much. This is made with aloe as the main ingredients, I guess. So it has all the no things, like no mineral oil, no silicone, no paraben, no gluten, no SLS, I don't know what that is, no sulfate, no synthetic dye, no alleys. Anyway, so this is really good. It's 100% natural pretty much. So yeah, like I said, I used this today and I guess my hair is too immune to my previous conditioner that it didn't really do much. But what I can say is this is more thick. It's more thick than my Aussie conditioner that I shared with you guys before. But this is good on her hair. Little goes a long way, and she has, you know, like natural curly hair, so it works great. And then now I'm gonna move to the things that we use outside of the shower. This is the things that she uses every day, pretty much, or almost every day. most of these are repurchases because yeah. So yeah, I have it in this little caddy because this is what I use to just fix her hair and for them to brush their teeth every day. So that's why it's in here. It's much better to put it in here so I can just grab it and go. As you can see, there is a spray right here because that's what we use to refresh her hair. Yes, her hair is, especially the front of her hair, just like her mama's, gets a little bit frizzy in the morning. So I just you know, spray this on the front of her hair, and sometimes the back too if it gets frizzy, but mostly the front. This has like the, okay, I don't want to spray myself, but it has like the sprint, so there's like a different kind of spray on here that you can choose from. We just got this from Target or Walmart. So there's different kind. There's like a really strong one, there's like sprinter and things like that, so you need to find your what works best for you. At the beginning it was so hard for me to figure it out, so it was like really like in her hair, and it was not fun, but I figured it out after a year of using it. So now it's like the sprinter. Okay, the next item that I use every day is this jelly soft curl. I've seen a lot of moms use this on their daughter's hair, so that's why I love it. As you can see, it's almost done. It's pretty much just like, maybe this will be done by this weekend, so today is Wednesday. So yeah, this is the soft curl. This doesn't leave her hair like crunchy. That's why I love it. I used it on my hair like the first week of me trying the curly girl method. I used it on my hair, and yeah, I don't know, maybe I didn't know what I was doing yet back then, but this did not work on my hair. My hair was still poofy. I didn't even know what was going on. So but this works best on her hair type, so maybe because she has like thinner hair, I don't know, but this is really good. This is a repurchase, and of course we're gonna repurchase it again. And then the other thing is this curl enhancing smoothie by Shea Moisture. This one is also very good. Unfortunately, it feels like, I feel like this is a little bit goes a long way. It will enhance your curl, but it will also weigh it down, so you cannot use a lot of this. A little bit goes a long way. Anyways, this did not work on my hair either for some reason. I don't know, maybe like I said, I didn't know what I was doing back then, but I will try it again, and then I'll let you guys know. Maybe like I'll do like trying my daughter's hair products, and this is what happened or whatever, you know. So yeah, maybe I'll do that. Let me know if you guys want me to do that, but before it did not work, so we'll see. The scent is very strong. It has a very strong scent, but like once again, this has no paraben, no sulfate, no mineral oil, animal testing, no petroleum, and it's color safe, so it's really good. Little bit goes a long way, so it will last you a while, unless you have long hair like us. My daughter has really long hair, so it still lasts her like, I don't know, 4 months now or something like that, but you know, it's, if you use it every day, of course it's not gonna last you that long. Anyways, next thing is actually the detangling spray. I haven't used it every day at all, probably because I guess the other products work good, so I didn't have to detangle her hair at all. But I've used a lot of detangler. Like I've tried a lot of different type of detanglers. I've used the Shea Moisture, I've used Suave Kids. The Suave Kids works good, but her ear and like around her neck tends to get really red when I spray it on, so I know that she's allergic to something on it. Even though it says it should be like non-allergen or something like that, her ear always turns red when I spray it, so I know there's something in it. So even though it's very affordable, I haven't used it ever since she turned 2 or 3, around there. And then the next thing is I use the Shea Moisture. The Shea Moisture is alright, but it doesn't work as good. Like you have no idea, like there's a lot of times where I had to like really detangle her hair and she's crying and it's just not fun. So I tried my best to find the best product out there, and this is what I came out to. This is the Honest Conditioning Detangler gentle nourishing, blah blah blah. This is it. This is the pink one, okay you guys. This is the sweet almond scent. I don't really care about the scent, but I just need it to work. And then you see the spray is very like a little bit bigger, so it can like spray into the hair and like reach like a big surface, I guess. But the thing about this, you really need to pay attention to what I'm trying to say right now. If you use this, make sure that your daughter's hair is very like wet before you put this on, because a lot of people like complain that this makes the hair even more like stick together. It's almost like glue, it's like sticky. The reason why for that is because the hair is not completely wet, so you need to spray the hair first and then put this on and then brush the hair through to detangle it, and it will work like magic. Like you barely need to brush it anymore because it will untangle so good, you guys. Like this is the best detangler out there. Okay, and then next product, then I'll talk to you about brushes. So next product is actually this Cantu Shea Butter Edge Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel, whatever. I bought this before. I bought this long time ago, actually. It lasted me like for several years. I bought this for obviously her edge. She has like I said, she has frizzy front hair, so even though I put the gel, whatever, I need this. So the gel and this needs to work together. Sometimes I just use the gel, and you know, towards the end of the day after school, you can still see a little frizz coming up on her hair. So if I use both of this, if I like trying to take a picture or something like that, and I don't want her hair to get messy, these two needs to work together. I'm trying to use a different edge control after this, but I feel like everything I buy is like the same. Let me know if you guys have like your most favorite edge control, because this is what I have, and then after this I will have to do a research again, because I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this. It's not bad, but I just want to see what's out there. Okay, and then next we're gonna move on to brushes. So I have 4 different brushes here that I want to show you guys. See all this? Okay, so the first one, since we were talking about edge, I got this from Amazon. This is pretty much the edge brush. You can just use, you know, old toothbrush if you want, but I just wanted to buy this, I guess. And then it came with another one, so I probably will be able to use that one on myself. But anyways, this is what I use every single day on her edge. I used to style her edge, like, you know, make a little whatever, but it takes too much time for me to do it, so I just like brush it back. And then sometimes she wants like me to like divide her hair in 2 and stuff like that, so this brush really helps with it. So yeah, that's why I like this. Next one is this brush right here. I got this from Target. It's just a regular brush, to be honest with you. I don't use this as often anymore at all, because I'm gonna show you the next brush after this. It's the best brush there is for detangling her hair. I tried this and it doesn't really do that good of a job. Like, I don't even know why I still have it, but I have it. I think this was from a princess something, princess collection or something. But this is a wet brush. And I know why I bought this. This was a big version of the wet brush she has. I used to always use this like travel size brush on her hair for the longest time, until I realized her hair is too long and I don't have enough time to use the tiny brush. So this was working back then. And then we got this one. This one my mom actually gave it to us. Don't worry, I'll show you how to clean this in another video. But anyways, this is the brush. This is the best brush ever for her hair. I think I can use this on my hair too, and we'll see what happened. But this is so good, you guys. This is what we use every day, and we have barely any tangle, or like if I try to untangle her hair, it doesn't hurt. No more tears, nothing. This is the best. You should get this for your daughters. Like, this saved every morning cry, or every shower, every bath time, wash day. this helps so much. This is what I used to buy before I got the other brush. She likes this a lot too because, you know, it's just a boar hair, I think, or whatever it's called. It doesn't hurt, and you know, it covers a lot of surfaces for like her edge or her baby hair. Oh, one more thing that I wanted to let you know. I found this like the best co-wash. Wait, did I even talk about this co-wash? I don't think so. Okay, I want to go back to this co-wash first. So this is the co-wash we use. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Moisture Co-Wash. So this co-wash is great, but I feel like, you know, you can just use your conditioner because I tried both and it kind of works the same. But in between shampoos we use co-washes, and this one is really good. I used it myself too, and it does really nourish my hair, and it gives more moisture to my hair. So yeah, it works with both hair types, so any curls I guess will work with this. And obviously it's all the 100% natural, fragrance, cruelty free, yada 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 on this, so it's so good. But one of the best co-wash that I ever used on my daughter's hair is actually the other Shea Moisture in blue bottle. I've saved that bottle for the longest time, but when we moved here, I just decided to delete it because, I mean, I decided to throw that away and just take a picture. I don't know if I'm gonna find it online and show you guys a picture right now, but yeah, this co-wash was the best co-wash ever, you guys. That's the first time that I realized, wow, actually curly hair can be untangled so easily, like so easy. And then they don't make that anymore, unfortunately. They don't produce that co-wash anymore, so that's why I moved to this one. This one is not as good as the blue bottle, but you know, we have to do what we have to do. And I was not gonna buy, you know, a co-wash on eBay for like, I don't know, $45, $50. So I just found other things that works. But anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much everything that I use on my daughter's hair. I know it's a lot. It's a lot. Like, taking care of curly hair is a lot, but you know, I want her to love her hair, and that is the reason why I'm going natural on mine as well. And I kind of like the change a little bit, and you know, it's another experience, a whole life experience, and you know, I don't see why not. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, Mama Strong. Yeah, so if you have any question, please let me know down below. And thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. It will help my channel grow. You have no idea how much that helps me. And please give it a thumbs up if you do like the video. I do appreciate your time. I appreciate you. Also, I would like to welcome all the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to the Mama Strong family. I'm so happy that you have joined us. And yeah, please let me know a little bit about you in the comment below if you're comfortable with that, or you can private message me. Anything is fine. Alright, Mama Strong, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye-bye.